Is there an Instagram screenshot story notification, or does Instagram notify users about screenshots of stories? Well, since Instagram stories disappear after 24 hours, as you know, screenshots are a great way to save someone's content that's posted to the stories. As a brand or a content creator, you might occasionally experience people screenshotting your stories to view again later. Now, do you get notified? Well, the short answer is no. Instagram doesn't notify users when someone screenshots their story. At some point, the platform started experimenting with this feature and introduced notifications for story screenshots in February 2018. Back for this test, a camera shutter icon showed up next to the users who took a screenshot of the story. This information could be accessed by looking at the list of story viewers. However, Instagram soon abandoned the experiment after an overwhelmingly negative response from users. There is no any screenshot notification, so you don't need to be worried about it, and you can freely screenshot anyone's stories. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.